What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today with me I have the DJI Mavic 3. I'm going to unbox it and I'll show you some sample footage, and I'll also be doing a follow-up video where I do even more sample footage once I've got enough. So let's unbox it and have a look what's in the box. I can't wait to fly it. Here's the box. There's the drone, that's what's in the box. And we can also see some stuff underneath. So there's the manufacturing date, 2021. Works with iMovie. Good to know. I like to use Final Cut and iMovie. All right, let's get into the box. This might be a little hard. All right, looks like we're opening the box. Let's have a look inside. All right. Oh man, this is a hard box to open. Not as good as the Apple with the pull tab, but that's all right. All right. Let's open this cover. Here we go, we got a little pull tab. And here we go. Oh, maybe not. Oh, there we go. There's the drone. All right, there's the drone. Let's have a little look. All wrapped up. Got some spare propellers down under there. Very nice. Let's have a look at the drone itself. All right, let's get it out of the plastic. There it is. Wow, very shiny and new. Looks like we got some weird residue. Anyway, take off the cover. There it is. There's the drone. Look at that. Probably need to charge it first. All right, so here's the drone itself. There's a weird muzzle for securing it, which wraps around the camera. We've removed the muzzle, and now the dog is ready to bark. So, yeah, you can see the gimbal is locked. Well, yeah, there's some kind of lock on the gimbal. Oh, yes, there's something down here. Let's remove that. Really, gimbal's free to move. Propellers are spinning. We got some little protective strips, so I'll remove those. Very nice. There's the optical avoidance cameras. Pretty cool to see. Very cool to see. We've got some underneath. More protective tabs. We'll just release those. All right. Let's have a look. What else is in the box? All right, there's our controller. I'm not a fan of this controller because it's missing some of the things that the DJI Mavic 2 controller had. I will do a comparison video after the unboxing and we can talk about it. There we go, the controller's got some charge in it. But yes, this controller is missing the 2 scroll wheels. It only has 1 compared to the Mavic 2. And it's also missing the buttons underneath, which are very handy for toggling functions. No more tripod mode, which was quite fun, but yeah, a lot less buttons. I think this is a bit of a cost cut, really, for a $3,000 drone. Then we got our charger. That's nice. USB-C charging is nice to have in a drone. It's an awesome charger, really. USB-C. You can charge your phone. Looks like it supports PPS as well. Yep. It supports 5 volt to 20 volts. So that means PPS, which stands for programmable power supply, I believe. And we got some manuals on flying the drone. Oh, look at that. It's not that exciting. And then we got some spare cables. So we got a USB-C to micro and a USB to the Android phone, USB-C to C. All right. I believe that's everything. So let's do some flying. check out this awesome footage of the Mavic 3 on Activetrack, completely avoiding all the trees and branches through this forest. Isn't this incredible? This is the best auto follow I've seen, although I haven't used the Skydio 2, and I'm sure that's better. But unfortunately, that's pretty hard to find in Australia. So one day, if they ever make it easy to buy in Australia, I'll get one and we can compare. But in the meantime, this is the best that I've seen. So enjoy this video. Let me know what you think if you have any other obstacle tracking tests for the Mavic 3. I'll just let this play to the end so you can enjoy the obstacle tracking and see how it goes. I'll play some music now. See you guys. As you can see here, I am super puffed out because I basically flew this drone as hard as I could for what you don't see is me running hard out for 10 minutes before, so that you can see here the drone tired me out, and now I'm looking at it like you beat me. Normally you can run away from the Activetrack on the DJI drones, but the Mavic 3 doesn't get lost, so you can just keep running away from it and it keeps coming to get you. So it's good exercise, actually. It really motivates you to get away from it, but it just keeps pushing you to do more. hope you all enjoyed that unboxing video and some of the sample footage. Gonna do a little comparison between the Mavic 2 and the Mavic 3, so that'll be coming soon, as well as some more footage, a show reel actually of the Mavic 3. So keep that subscribe notification bell ticked, and I'll see you on the next one. Lens Addict out.